गुड.
Sir,
બીજા કોઈને? હા જી.
Yes, sir.
sir, my question is related to colonialism.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, as we define this colonialism, as we define post-colonialism in context with colonialism,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
my question is how colonizers or the Europeans might have got the idea that they can acquire others' land.
That's because with the, see, there are two things. One is, historically speaking, kingdoms have conquered other kingdoms. Kingdoms have conquered other kingdoms, haven't they?
Yes.
Right? So even in England, England tried to conquer France, France tried to conquer England, they fought 100-year war. So there's been constant wars. So the forceful occupation of territory and of land has never been something new for monarchies. People are used to the idea. Yes or no? People are used.
Yes. Yes.
અત્યારે ચાઇના અત્યારે પેંગોંગ સો પકડવા માંગે છે અને આપણે છોડતા નથી, બરાબર છે ને? અત્યારે થાય જ છે ને. લદ્દાખ અત્યારે લેવા માંગે છે, અરુણાચલ પ્રદેશ લેવા માંગે છે, સિક્કિમ લેવા માંગે છે. અમે છોડવાના છીએ? નો. બટ ધ આઈડિયા ઇઝ, ભલે કોલોનિયલિઝમ જતું રહ્યું, હવે ભલે ઇમ્પિરિયલિઝમ જતું રહ્યું, પણ એ જે માનસિક વૃત્તિ છે કે બીજાનું જે વસ્તુ છે એના ઉપર પકડ રાખો, એ ગયું નથી. That has not gone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then something else also happened. Somewhere in the 1780s, you had the Treaty of Westphalia in Europe. Westphalia was a place, or was termed as Westphalian peace accord. And in the Westphalian peace accord, this happened just after Napoleon, after the Napoleonic Wars. After Napoleon's conquest of Europe, and Napoleon was removed, and Napoleon was exiled to St. Helena. All right. People were slightly worried that it might happen again, that some other ruler like this will come in and he'll start the conquest again. So they signed an accord. All the European monarchies in that area, they signed an accord, what is termed as the Treaty of Westphalia, where it was decided that there would be no more conquests of this kind, and the kingdoms and the monarchy's sovereignty and geographical space would be honored. What's termed as the Westphalian peace. So today's nation states, national boundaries, and everything comes out of this particular accord, Westphalian peace. So today, a nation cannot conquer anybody else. Right? That's why the whole world is protesting against China, because China is trying to conquer. That goes against the idea of the Westphalian peace. Okay? But it was okay to do it in the colonies.
Well,
So for 19th century Europe, it was a crime to attack somebody else, a neighboring kingdom, but it was okay to conquer a colony, because a colony did not belong to any specific person or any specific country. Are you getting me? Colony was free. So India पे आप कब्जा करना चाहते हो, अफ्रीका पे कब्जा करना चाहते हो, साउथ अफ्रीका पे कब्जा करना चाहते हो, कर सकते हो आप. You can do that, not a problem. But France, वहां competition कर सकते हो. So France and British, you can fight. The armies fought in India. The British East India Company and the French East India Company, they fought in India. A number of wars, right? That is okay. But France and England must not fight in that sense. The national boundaries must not be affected. That's because of the Westphalian Peace Treaty. Everybody clear? You are clear now?
yes, I think.
That was a good question. I liked it. Right? Yeah. That's a very good question. Yes.